Hi YouTube, it's Princess Diamond. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to share with you guys how you can get these easy, beautiful, low maintenance mini twists, as well as share some benefits of choosing mini twists as a protective style. So getting straight into the details of this look, the hair that I'm using is the Model Afro Water Twist hair. And I did only need one pack of this hair because the length is 28 inches long, and as you seen in the beginning of this video, we're going to keep these fairly short. So what I did was end up cutting the hair twice. So I folded it in half and cut it down the middle once, and then folded that in half and cut it down the middle again. So altogether I cut the hair 2 times. So this is the length that I am working with. So as you guys can see, I've already did the first 2 rows. Now the very first row that I did, I started that row with doing 4 twists, and then every row above it I just brick layered. So the second row then had 5 twists, and then this row that I'm working on right now will have 6 twists. And as you guys can see now, I'm just parting this third row. I am parting it from ear to ear, from the very top of her ear, from one side straight across over to the other side. If you want more details or more in-depth tutorial on how to part, then check out this video linked up above in the cards, where I go more into details fully on how to part. And as far as the parting sizes in the rows, some people may consider these different sizes, so I'll just tell you the number of rows. So from the top of her ears on down, I gave her 3 rows straight across from ear to ear, and then above that I gave her an additional 5 rows. So altogether from one ear to the other straight across, there were 8 rows total. And then like I said earlier, that first row had 4 twists, and then every row after that just brick layered, just so you can get an idea of the sizing that I did. And then as you guys can see, starting out, I am doing knotless braids for these. You can start these out as just doing like traditional box braids. However, we were going for more of a natural look and wanted something that would be less tension. Okay, so once I have fed in all of the pieces to do the knotless braid, I'm then going to split this into 2, and then I'm going to start to twist the 2 strands together. Now I do want to mention that for this particular look, I am twisting going to the left. There's definitely no right or wrong way to do it, but this is the look that we are going for. And so if you're going for the similar look, you want to make sure you're also twisting to the left. But I will say, specifically if you're using this hair, can't guarantee the look will be the same if you're using a different hair. But again, for this hair, we twisted it to the left. If we were to twist it to the right, she would have got more of a bouncy twist that looked more like spring twists. I twisted these all the way down to the bottom to the very end, and then I just used some scissors to snip away those long pieces that were not needed. Okay, so now I do want to get in some of the benefits of choosing mini twist as a protective style. So if you heard me say in the beginning, I only used 1 pack of hair, and that 1 pack of hair, I don't remember exactly, but it could have been like maybe $6, $7, maybe $5. So it's low cost. You don't have to spend as much money for this look. Another benefit is that it's low maintenance. So since these are short, they're not in the way. They don't require daily styling. However, you can style them. It's just not required. If you want to just wear it down, you absolutely can. And really all you have to do for maintenance is just spritz these with water or leave-in conditioner just to keep them moisturized. Another benefit is that this style is versatile, so you can style it up if you want. You can style it down. You can do half up, half down. So you can style these. It's also a style that looks good for any occasion. You can add beads to it. You can add hair cuffs to it to kind of make it more glamorous, I guess. Or you can just wear it plain on like a chill day or whatever. So very versatile. Another benefit I would say is that it's less tension, and that's the reason why I started these out as feed-in braids, so that way they're lightweight, they're less tension, and that's going to help with hair growth and not cause breakage on the hair. Another thing is that when you're ready to take these down, they're easy to take down. So if you're someone that struggles with taking down hair, especially if they're smaller size or braids, they take a lot of time. These are twists, easy to take down, not a lot of detangling when you do take it down. So again, helps with hair growth because we're not causing breakage. So yeah, those are the benefits of this style. I think this is a great idea or a great style just to help with protecting your hair, helping grow your hair while you're still enjoying a nice, cute, versatile style. Now, as you can see, I'm done with the twist. Now I'm just applying mousse all over the hair. And once the mousse is applied, I did go in with my perm rods and I curled the ends of like the long pieces, especially the ones in the back. This is an option. It's not necessary. It's not needed. And you can actually curl all of them, or you can just do like I did and just curl the long pieces that are in the back. Totally optional, completely up to you. But then I dipped them in hot water, and then I took the perm rods out. After I took the perm rod out, I just went in and trimmed it just to shape the bob. You want to be careful when you are cutting twists. You don't want to cut too far up. It's better to cut towards the bottom where the ends are more tapered, because then they won't unravel as easily. If I was to cut higher up, it could cause the twist to unravel easier. So just be mindful of that. I think it's a good idea to even do like the perm rods like how I did, because it kind of helps to seal it. So when you go in and cut, you can make sure that they're not going to unravel. And so then after that, I'm just spraying it with some leave-in conditioner. And this is the final result. Like I said, super easy, low maintenance, overall just a really pretty, beautiful style. I've done mini twists before, not exactly like these. However, mini twists are definitely one of my top favorite protective styles. So I definitely recommend trying it. Let me know what you guys think of the final result. I'll keep showing some more looks. If you have any questions, drop it down in the comments below. Hopefully I was able to get to everything, but if I didn't, again, leave some comments down below. Also, just let me know what you think in general, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one. I hope you be blessed, stay protected, and stay filled with love and peace.